Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for another informative video. Today I'll be addressing a common issue many Instagram users face. There was a problem with your request error when trying to log in. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon for updates. Let's dive into the solution. Firstly, open your browser and search for Instagram Help Center on Google. Click on the official Instagram Help Center website and navigate to the I Can't Login section. Choose the option to recover your Instagram password and provide a brief explanation of the issue. Submit your request, and you'll receive a response from the Instagram team via email. If the issue persists, try updating your Instagram app. Go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and tap on the Update button if available. After updating, check if the problem has been resolved. By following these two methods, you should be able to fix the login error on Instagram. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and enable notifications for future videos. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.